personal. Kasi, kapag ang usapin, when we talk of a subject that is global, national, international, as if there is no personal impact, then we are not so interested. Tanungin ko po kayo, sino ang gumagamit dito ng sunblock? Sunblock. Ganun, huwag mahiya. Sunblock. Okay, nagdadrive ka, ako po yung nagkaroon ng melasma. Ang sabi mo sa akin, hindi naman po ako lagi nasa araw. Pero nasa sasakyan ka, sabi ng doktor. Opo, kahit nasa loob ka ng sasakyan, nakapit ang sasakyan mo, kung hindi ka naka-sunblock, maaari ka pa rin magkaroon ng melasma. And that is personal. Okay? One of the problems, ito yung matindi, one of the problems of climate change is part of which is the problem with regards to microplastic. Bakit kasama microplastic? Ang microplastic, ang kanyang simplest form, if we will be downgrading it to its simplest form, it came from crude. Ito po ay hydrocarbon, parang diesel. Okay. Ngayon, sa dami ng microplastic, yan ay unti-unti na nag-i-emit ng CH4 methane, carbon dioxide, because these are hydrocarbon. Unti-unti, at marami dyan nasa ating mga landfill. Unfortunately, because we are island country, archipelago, kapag umulan, ano mangyayari? Ang ating mga landfill, umaagas yan sa ilog. Ano nangyari sa ilog? Nagkaroon ng tinatawag natin microplastic invaded the water system, terrestrial system, it invaded even you, personally, you and me. Anong sabi ng Mindanao State University ng UP? Our problem with regard to Laguna Lake is already infected with microplastic. Sino na coming from Caraga? You can Google it, Lasip, Bangus, tilapia invaded by microplastic. Ito po yung matindi. Usapang personalan. Sino ho dito ang mayroon ng erectile dysfunction? Taas ang kamay. Huwag kayong nahiya. Kailangan ng blue pills. Okay. Sino may prostate problem? Taas ang kamay. Okay, ito ho. I-google ninyo. I-google ninyo. Relationship of erectile dysfunction, prostate problem, kidney malfunction to BPA, bisphenol A and BCD, vinyl chloride. These are the compound used in making plastic. There is a study in the US, 8 out of 10 male with renal problem, urinary genital problem, their urine sample are infected with microplastic. Kung si Manoy hindi na tumatayo, is that a whole of nation approach? That is a personal problem. That is not a national problem. Tama? So climate change is a personal problem. Hindi lang kami lalaki, huwag kayo tumawa mga babae. 8 out of 10 female with mammary gland cancer infected with microplastic. Hindi lang tayo mga magulang, even our children. Yung hindi makapag-aral, hindi makapag-focus with ADHD problem, they have a personal problem caused by microplastic. Bakit ko alam po yan? Unfortunately, this is something personal to me. Bakit personal? Ang nanay ko po namatay sa lung cancer. Okay? Ang tatay ko namatay sa kidney cancer, kidney problem.
Sige lang yun, klaro man tayo.
If I will be looking into the genealogy, wala ang history ang nanay ko at tatay ko na may ganong klaseng problema. And unfortunately, sa inyong mga probinsya, you have now a lot of kidney dialysis center. Tama? Nung pa noon, wala namang kidney dialysis center. Sa aking bayan, sa Mexico, Pampanga, 3 ang kidney dialysis center. They start at 3 a.m. Pagkatapos